got my marching orders for the day. Just taking some stuff over to get unloaded. We're pulling into San Paulo State Park here in a minute. Yeah, let's get ready for the Offroad games. This place is amazing. But it's going to be complete chaos here in a little bit. It's going to be the arena right there. Alright, so here's the deal. I found a generator. I got my welder. About to hook up my bottle. Do a little grinding. I gotta put some brackets on here. Hold my ramps up so that I can hook on my trailer. So that I can get my skid steer and my side-by-side home from Utah and make it to work by 8 o'clock in the morning. Let's do it. This is What Willie Do. That just happened. It was all connected. I tried to straighten it out and busted everything apart. So now I'm gonna have to forklift my car, put it on the trailer, leave the skid steer on the side of the road. It's all right. Just a challenge to overcome, and that's what Willie do. Yeah, this has been quite the trip, huh? I got the trailer unhooked last night, got the ramps off the truck, grabbed the skid steer off the trailer, put on the forks, unloaded the side-by-side and put it on the trailer, put the busted up ramps back on the flatbed of the truck. Started heading home. About 3:30 in the morning, I couldn't keep my eyes open anymore. I had to pull over and stop. So I'm just leaving Wiki up, and I feel like a struck match that's been burnt at both ends, tossed in a fire, ground into the ashes of the earth, regrown into another tree that was then made into another match and then burned at the both ends of that match. Yeah, that's how I feel today. But that's alright, because I'm pushing myself, never gonna stop. It's what Willie do.